Now in this exercise 4b, I'll do 2 sub question number F. See, first I will convert all these numbers into improper fraction. So 13 into 2, 26. 26 plus 1, 27 by 2. You can write directly. You don't have to show all the steps. Plus 52 into 6. So I am multiplying. This is 312 plus 1. So I will write 313 by 6. Instead of 10, I can write 10 by 1. Similarly, 15 into 8 plus 1. So this will be 121 by 8. Now you have to take the LCM of 2, 6 and 8 like this. I already know the LCM is 24. So instead of all these numbers, I am giving a single line 24. Now 24 divided by 2. 24 divided by 6, 1 and 8. I have written the answers. Now with 27, you will have to multiply 12 because on dividing by 2 we got 12. Give a bracket. Write this plus sign. Again 313 into, for 6 you were getting 4. So 313 into 4. Then plus sign. 10. With 10 you have to multiply 24 because the denominator was 1 and for 1 you were getting 24. Then plus, with 121 you will have to multiply 3 because for 8 you were getting 3. So this is a more direct method than the one you have done in question 1 and question 2. Use this method for further additions. I am also converting both the processes are same as you were doing. First you were finding the LCM and then multiplying with both the numbers. I am doing this step directly. So 27 into 12, this is 324 plus, upon this you will get 1252, then plus, this will be 240, then plus, this will be 363 by 24. After adding you will get 1279 by 24. And if we will divide like this, this is here. So this will be divisible by 9, which will be 216, and 19 will be the remainder. So quotient will come here, remainder will go in the numerator and denominator will be 24. So this is how you should actually solve the addition process. Find the LCM, then divide the LCM with all the denominators. This step. Now just give one single line and write only one denominator, 24, which is the LCM. With corresponding numerators, multiply the corresponding quotients. For 2 I got 12, so I am multiplying 27 with 12. For 6 I got 4, so I am multiplying 313 with 4. I'll show one in subtraction also. The question is 11 15 by 16 minus 8 3 by 4. So first I'll convert it into mixed fraction. In here only. First I will multiply 11 into 16, which is 176, and then I will add 15, which you already know how to do this. So I am writing 191 by 16 minus 8 into 4 is 32. 32 plus 3, 35 by 4. Now I am finding the LCM, 16, 4. I am using prime numbers. So 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 2, 16. So my LCM is 16. Now what did I tell you? To divide the LCM with both the denominators. This is 1, this is 4. So with 191 I will multiply 1. So 191 into 1. Bracket sign, then minus, because it is minus here. Then bracket starts 35 into. Upon dividing by 4 I got 4 as quotient. So I will multiply 4. So this is 191 minus 35 into 4, 140 by 16. So this is 51 by 16. Now again you can divide. 3 is 48. So 3 by 16. This is the answer. So this is the more direct way, and this is the method you should follow for higher standards. Similarly, we'll start with another question upon how we will divide a whole number with a fractional number. So suppose the 3 sub question number C, 3 minus 4 by 7. So for this you have to imagine that this is 3 by 1. Now the process is same. You have to find the LCM of 7 and 1, which is 7. Then you have to divide the LCM with both the denominators. Now take this as 1. What will you multiply with 3? For 1 you got 7, so you will multiply 7. For 7 you got 1, so we will multiply 1. So 21 minus 4 by 7. This is 17 by 7. Now you can divide. 2 is the quotient, so it will be the whole number part. 3 is the remainder, so it will go in numerator, and like this you will get your answer. So this is how you subtract whole number with a fraction. So question number F, 100 minus 98 7 by 8. So first what you have to do is convert this into improper. So 98 into 8. 8 64, 4 6 carry over. This is 72 plus 6, 78. And then add 7. So this is 791 by 8. Now you have to imagine there is 1. Find the LCM. LCM of 8 and 1 is 8. Now divide 8 with both the denominators. So for 1 you are getting 8, so you will multiply 8 here, minus 791 into 1. So this is 800 minus 791 by 8. You are getting 9 by 8, which is 1 by 8 in mixed. So solve the questions like this. Now coming to the fifth question. Any number when added with 0 is the number itself. So here it will be 7 by 8. 4 by 5 and 4 by 5. So for getting the same number you have to add 0. So here this will be 0. This type of question, see, 3 plus 2 plus 6 is, if I add like this, then 5 plus 6, this is 11. Similarly, 3 plus 2 plus 6, if I'll give a bracket here, then 3 plus 8, this is also 11. So in addition, order does not matters. Therefore here, 2 by 3, 4 by 9, 3 by 5. Which number is missing? 2 by 3, so here it will be 2 by 3. Try the word problems on your own, like one CD played for this of an hour and another played for this of an hour. If the two CDs were played in succession, succession means one after the other, how long did they take? You will have to add. Two pieces are glued together, thickness of one is this, thickness of other is this. Find the thickness of the wood if the joining glue is 3 by 10 meter thickness. So one thickness of one plank is this, then there is glue in between, and then thickness of another plank is this. So the whole thickness will be thickness of this plank plus glue plus this plank. So you have to add the three numbers. So like this, complete the word problems. And I'll show you one simplification also. Suppose C, 6 sub question number C. So the question is 6 3 by 10 minus 2 3 by 4 minus 1 3 by 5. So first what you'll have to do, you'll have to write it into improper fraction. 6 into 10 60 plus 3 63 by 10. 2 into 4 8 8 plus 3 11 by 4. 5 into 1 5 plus 3 8 by 5. Now you have to find the LCM. Please find the LCM properly. I already know the LCM is 20. So divide the LCM with all the denominators. So upon dividing 2, 5 and 4 I got. Now with 63 I will multiply. For 10 I got 2, so I will multiply 2. Then bracket, then minus, and 11 into, for 4 I got 5, so I will multiply 5. Then minus. With 8 I got 4. Sorry, with 5 I got 4. So 63 into 2, 126, minus 11 into 5, 55, minus 8 into 4, 32. So what you have to do, first subtract these. 126 minus 55. You are getting 71. Then again subtract 32. You are getting 39. So 39 by 20. If it will be written in mix, then this will be this. Similarly, if there would have been addition here, then we would have added and then subtracted. Just follow the previous steps.